Hi everyone, so I am making two different molds or mouldings using this mold here. So I'm making this top one and then this little fleur-de-lis here. So grab your air dry clay and you just want to push it right in to your mold, right the way in like this, and then once it's in, and you want to get it right up to all of your edges here, once it's all in, with your finger just gently pull it back and this will create nice clean lines, and there we go. So it's like that. So you don't have to wait too long for it to dry. I did wait longer with this big one up here, but this little one here is ready to pop out. So you just gently push the back. It's fully silicone, so it does bend nice and easily, and pop it out. And then I'm just putting it here on a flat surface. So you can see I have got all my molds here. They're all been done, and I'm just going to show you how to apply them. So I'm going to use some wood glue. This is just one I had here in the shop, and I'm going to start with the little fleur-de-lis, which I want to have nice and centered here in the middle. I'm just going to grab my glue, put it all over the back. Ooh. And stick it right on. So I quite like using the wood glue for this, as you have a bit more play with moving it around, and as it dries I will just clean up all of the edges here. So I'm going to keep going.